Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to make database relationships in Laravel. So let's get started. So let's open the code and we'll see the output like we had left it in the last video. We had fetched all the products in their table form and left it. So now we'll see how to get relationship, how to create relationship in Laravel. So first let us open our routes web.php and we had a controller. Okay, first let us see the view, resources, views. This is our table where we are viewing. So here I have created a new table here. So we have two tables now, categories and products. So when you open categories, you can see there is two categories here. So one is fashion, another one is electronics categories. So now when we insert a product, you have to select it under which category it comes. So here we have stored the category ID. So this is under category number 2, that was electronics. So this is under electronics category, this is under fashion category. So now we have to fetch this in our table and show here. So let's get started. So first we'll go here and we'll open the controller, app http controllers, my controller. So here we have passed the data from here using this product model. So now we want the category model also in this. So first we'll open the category model. So here it is categories.php. So in this we have name and description. So here we will fetch all the categories and see first if we are getting it the correct output. So we'll name a variable here, category will create. Category equals to, call the model here, again categories double colon all. So I am fetching all the categories and first let us view if we are getting all the output in this. I'll just pass it in this compact function and we'll go to the products, and here I will view it here above everything. I'll just view it in a raw format. So put dollar symbol, and now let us check the output. Reload. Okay, so here you got the output. So this is ID number 1, ID 2. Okay, so we are getting the ID properly. So now we have to make a relationship that which this is under which category it is coming. So we have to fetch this category name. If it is fashion or electronics, we have to fetch and show here. So we have to do this in the product model. So we'll open the model product.php, and so here we will create a function, right, public function, and we'll give the name category. Okay, I'll give categories function. So now here just type return $this of belongs to, here give the class name of the category model. So I'll show you here. So here you have class category. So you just copy this categories and paste it here at double colon and write class. So this class, and now which column we want, that is the category ID of the product table, that will be the ID of this categories table. So we are telling this column of the product table, go and search it in the categories tables ID. So where it matches, we need that details over there. So add semicolon. So now let us check it. So we will go here and let us remove this. Let us add one more column here. So we'll write category. So which category this belongs to, and just copy paste this. So now just add a category, the function name which we had given over there, category of, I misspelled this function name, so let us better copy it from there to avoid any errors. Categories. So just paste it here, categories of name. So now what it will do, this function will go to the categories table, and in the categories table we have two columns over there. So let us see, category ID, name and description. So we are in the categories table now, so you can call the name column over there. So now let us, okay, so we have given correctly. Now let us check the output and reload the page. Okay, there's some error, use of undefined category ID. Okay, it must be in single quotes, I guess. So let us check that. So put this in single quotes and we'll remove this unwanted space here, save it, and again let us reload the page, reload. Okay, so we have got it here. So you can see guys, categories electronics, and this is fashion. This shirt and jeans are under fashion category, this is under the electronics category. So this way you can use the relationship between two tables and get the data. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.